Okay, you guys, I'm back in my happy place, back in my kitchen. So today I'm gonna make, which was usually called burritos, but I kind of make mine like a taco. And I'm gonna make these for dinner. I do like to cook from scratch, so most of these items I made ahead of time because I like fresh things. I use a food saver to preserve them. I got some good old brisket over here that my husband smoked, and we got some sour creams. My salsa has cilantro, it has basil, it has bell peppers, onions, it has serrano peppers, it has olives, it has garlic. You kind of name it, it's in there. And it is so good, if I say so myself. And then I made Spanish rice, not Mexican rice, but Spanish rice. So it's made with pretty much this base here of sofrito, basically. But I add a little bit more in so you can use it as a salsa, or you can also use it as a sofrito in your rice. Then I made some beans. I make them more saucy because I like them to go in over the taco really well. This has some Spanish seasoning. It has some seasonings from India like cumin and different seasonings like that. Masala, a lot of different of those. This I purchased, fresh guacamole. My husband said he doesn't like guacamole. I put it in there every time. He has zero clue. Of course, I purchased the shells. I know how to make them, but I didn't because it's easier to buy them and a little bit cheaper. And of course, my southern girl gotta have the butter. So I'm gonna fold this all together so you guys can see it. You should like it, and it's gonna be yummy. This shouldn't take me very long because I prepped everything. I warmed all of my internals that are going to go in there. You can see the heat popping off the grill right there. I'm going to let it cool off a little bit as I was prepping. So as I fold it together, I'm just going to put the shell down. I'm going to start to layer it, fold it, and then we're going to be ready for dinner in zero time at all. First thing I'm going to do is butter it. It's pretty hot, so it's going to be steamy. Don't need a lot of that, although us southern girls use our butter. And I'll throw down the shells. Got my shells warming up. That's the only last thing that needed to be warm. Turn my griddle down a little bit, and I'm going to start to layer. My shells are nice and layered and toasted, and I'm ready to stuff it. My southern chick, we use our hands when we cook. Put gloves on for you, but if you weren't here and it was my people, we know how to do it. I start with the dry ingredients so that it can absorb some of the juices when it goes in. So I go in with my rice. Beautiful, beautiful rice. And I come back in with my meat. I come in with my brisket. I got it shredded. Got a little bit of fat in there, and it's perfect. And I layer that in. Not too much because we don't want to be sleepy. At least that's what happens with me. So a little bit of brisket. Now I'm going to come in with my beans. These beans have so much flavor. It has cumin, masala, just a little bit of everything. Some Spanish seasonings, some garlic, some herbs in there as well. So it gets layered in with the beans. Coming in with my cheese. Sprinkle that in. Sorry, made a little mess there. Sprinkle my cheese in. It's looking good already. Now my salsa. Coming in with that. Beautiful, beautiful salsa. And I know you're thinking, Ange, how are you going to get that closed? But I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. My husband thinks he doesn't like guacamole, but it's in there. I always do. Dab of sour cream. Just like that. Now we're going to fold her over. Because I'm country, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to fold it over. If you're not used to being in the kitchen like me and sticking your hands on hot stuff, you want to do that with a spatula. Getting nice and brown. Like it a little shiny and toasty. Put a butter on there. Keep everything inside. And she'll be ready. Flip her over. And just like that, dinner's ready. What did I make?
Yeah.
You know what it is.
Yeah, but what are the ingredients? What you got in it?
It's actually the ingredients of a burrito, but I make it like a taco
With a brisket?
with brisket. The key word.
Thanks to
Who's
me.
brisket, honey? Who's brisket?
Me, myself, and I.
Yeah, you did good. Mm.
Yeah, it's hard to pass something like this, especially when there's brisket
Yeah.
involved.
It's really good.